Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with this nice little padlock. This guy is an eagle. I guess it's made in the US of A right there. So, patent pending. This guy's kind of old, but we're going to go ahead and pick it open today. This is a wafer lock. So let's go ahead and dig in. First off, see if we can't go ahead and rake it. Sorry. Alright, there's number one. Got that sucker open. Sweet. And then closing this is kind of a pain in the butt. You gotta push the wafers back up in order for it to close, but that's alright. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can single pin pick this now. And there we go. Got it open with a couple picks and a zip. So anyway, this is the nice little eagle padlock. You know, we could probably shim this guy too. I just don't know if I have any shims here right now. Let me see. I don't think I have any shims right now. Shims right now. Nope, I don't have any shims right now, guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is from this Eagle Padlock for Stock Lock Sunday. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.